never done. That's probably going to be my video intro. An expedition to one of the highest mountains in Canada. You guys, I'm weathering the storm. Look at the view. I'm gonna get to the top. Look at the top. Gotta get to the top. You guys, I wish I was a professional camera. My iPhone can never capture this place as beautiful as it really is in real life. What a drive. We have arrived. Guys, my hair just flying up and down.
So this is where if you want to buy souvenirs, you can find souvenirs.
Yeah, our tour guide. So at the moment we are currently at Banff town. It is so busy. Well, not so busy actually, I guess. Today is a Saturday. I had to say it in my mother English first before I say the Saturday. Today's Saturday. Hello sister. It's really chill. The weather is not so cold. And yeah, let's explore galore. At least it's not as windy as I thought it was going to be. That place was really windy where we stopped the first time. It was so windy.
It's not even as windy as when we came here.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Toodles.
Chicken and shrimp on the C11.
Vermicelli, why don't you ask them for rice instead of vermicelli? What is vermicelli?
Now see the picture. See the picture for you.
Vermicelli is this one.
Noodles.
It's like noodles.
Rice noodles.
Oh yeah, I should stay with fried rice like this.
Stay with fried rice now.
Fried rice plate. Fried rice. Full house, Vietnamese cuisine and grill. We just finished eating, leaving the restaurant now. Now I know why YouTubers have phones and they have cameras, because my phone battery is so low. This was really nice, by the way. Very nice boba drink. Strawberry and coconut. We came to Banff Town, and unfortunately the museum was closed. The spring, I think hot spring or something like that, was also closed, and we couldn't really go, you know, see much in the town. But we ate a lot, as you will see. Exactly. So now we're going to Bow Falls, and then Lake Minnewanka. Today's Hallelujah Challenge, it's true. And Apostle Selman is coming. So last stop is the grassy lake, and then we go and call it a night. Oh my god, this is like full-on exercise.
Exactly.
I can't stay here, it's too steep. This is like so steep.
Be careful.
We came all the way from down there. And so, this is really nice. I'm right out of breath. Came up here to have a look at the Bow Fall along the Bow River, and it's so beautiful. I don't think you guys can hear much of what I'm saying, but I'm gonna make a video anyways. See how my investment has come out. Cha-ching! Okay, so this is so beautiful, man. have finally arrived our Airbnb in Canmore, and it's really cozy. It's really nice. I know that it has a view, like the mountain view from here, but it's really late. We arrived late, but we didn't even arrive that late, to be honest.
Okay, this is our room.
I know it's your room. Duh. I'm making a video. Can you excuse me, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry for the obstruction. Imagine those small rats telling me that this is their room, like I don't already know. So we got like a 6-bed adjoining place because there's a lot of us, like we are plenty, okay? I got kicked out of all the rooms. I will not be staying in a room, unfortunately. I will be staying in the sofa bed in the living room, but no problem, it's just one night. We went to the waterfalls. The waterfalls were so beautiful. We wanted to go to Lake Minnewanka, but we spent so much time back and forth, and we just decided, you know what, let's just come back because it was getting late. Funny thing, the time right now is 7:15 p.m, like past 7 o'clock, and it is so dark. Let me show you people what I mean. So because it was getting dark really fast, we just had to like leave. Right now, if you look outside, you would actually think, see, pitch dark. You can't even see anything. Can you even see anything? You would think that it was like 9 p.m or 8:30 at most, or even 8 p.m, right? With how dark it is, but it's actually just past 7. So because of how dark it was getting and how cold it was getting, we just decided we are going to just come back to our Airbnb, rest, and tomorrow morning we'll be on our way again and see what we can do. So I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping we can go to one of the lakes. Lake Louise is really far. All the other places were closed, which was so disappointing. The museum was closed today. The cave, scenic cave, was closed today. What else was closed? Like, it was just annoying. Like, everywhere we had plans to go to in Banff town was closed. My phone is even dead. This is my sister's phone I'm using. I'm going to transfer the videos later, but it's so annoying. But anyway, we had a good time. We ate, we gisted, we made a lot of noise because again, there's a lot of us. And I really wanted to do like a really cinematic view of all the rooms, but I mean, there's a lot of people. We just ran through. Everybody was tired. All the rooms just looked scattered, and everybody jumped on the bed and, you know, started arranging their stuff and just putting things everywhere, and, you know, so I couldn't get that. But it's really cozy, it's really nice. Tonight we're just going to have dinner, play a few games, gist, go to bed, and tomorrow morning we continue from where we stopped. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog so far. I hope I've not been boring you. Tomorrow is actually like the real, you know, we're going to the Banff Gondola, where we're going to be climbing the mountain with a gondola. I saw the gondolas today and I'm like, what? Is that what we are climbing up that mountain? Somebody who is acrophobic, God have mercy on me. I will survive. Let's go. I don't know if I'm going to do any more videos tonight. If I don't, please, apologies. Like, everybody's tired. My phone is dead again. Like, my sister is probably looking for her phone. Like, where is my phone? Where is this girl with my phone? If I don't make any more videos tonight, see you guys tomorrow when we're going to the gondola. Ciao.
Sometimes, like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
Morning. We have officially arrived the Banff Gondola. The mountains are just everywhere. Like, I had to stop recording the mountains because, I mean, everywhere you look, mountains are just like around. Snowing, guys. Oh my god. We want to climb the mountain, so let's go. It is snowing. Oh, what? How many degrees is it? Like -1?
It should be -1 to or it's 2 degrees.
2
Or
degrees.
Feels like what? Feels like -5.
It's 2 degrees, but feels like -5 degrees because it's really cold.
See, it's even showing back.
Snowing. Ooh.
12, but
It's not that heavy, right? Just light snow. Nothing to worry about. This is crazy, man.
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Guys, God is so marvelous because can you see the phone is not even doing justice.
It's not doing justice.
The phone is not doing justice at all. Like,
How many if the island?
how high? I'm feeling it.
I
Oh!
don't see anything. When
I don't see anything again. The fog has covered everywhere because it's snowing as well. Spirit of God. Like, big ups to everybody that was part of this gondola construction. Big ups to them. So hi.
This one is good. This one is good. Yeah, it's not hard. This one, where is that?
Yeah, we are in the middle of it.
No, I'll go back. I'm not rich.
She said me, I know I will go
I
back.
know now.
What's snowing? What a wonderful day. It shows a wonderful day to snow. She was thinking that it would snow yesterday and not snow today. Do you hear the sound of the wind? The wind has a sound, y'all. It's like rain. It sounds like rain. Like rain is falling. Okay. Adventure. We're adventurous family. This one that we carry ourselves like this. Coming out of it. All of us like this. You guys, I'm weathering the storm. Look at the view. So, weathering the storm. Literally, can you hear the sound of the wind? I don't think y'all can hear me. Oh my god. See? Like, literally weathering the storm and say, I'm gonna get to the top. Look at the top. Gotta get to the top. Let's do this. My nose is already drooling. Some of my family members have turned back because it is too cold. But I told myself I'm gonna get to the top. Oh my god, the higher you go, the windier it is. And it's like, whoa. This is crazy, man. Yes, you and me both, sis. We gotta defeat this fear of heights, like, and enjoy. This is the highest I've ever been in my life. Like, you meant to do documentary, an expedition to one of the highest mountains in Canada. Jesus Christ, it is so high. You guys, I wish I brought a professional camera. My iPhone can never capture this place as beautiful as it really is in real life. This is the coldest, highest, most intense thing I've ever done. That's probably going to be my video intro. Oh my gosh. We made it. We made it to the highest point. It wasn't. Oh my god. Yo. You did this. I don't want to go too close. Look at where we were. That was where we were. Oh my god. That's okay. Yo, it's like, yeah. See, hot coffee, everything hot. After now, my nose is running. That's disgusting. It's so windy. It's so cold. Oh my god. Oh, it is colder than expected. Oh my god. Well, we made it. We are almost there. We are regretting our choices, but we've already gone up. And this is also on our way down, and we're almost there. So this is like one of the most challenging things I've ever done in my life. I can say that. Look at how red my nose is, bro. Okay, I think it's calmer here now. A bit better. Let's not play with frostbite. I will give you guys an update when we finally get out of here. But I need to wear my gloves back. Whew.
Going back by ourselves. You can stay by yourself.
I see. Okay, bye-bye.
Guys, I hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. I wasn't able to do so many other videos after now. We actually left Banff in a bit of a hurry. There was a little bit of an emergency, don't worry, nothing too big to worry about. And later in the evening, we went out to have dinner together at a restaurant, also a Vietnamese restaurant. Yes, Vietnamese food is really good in Calgary, and here is me enjoying using a chopstick. I promise you, I didn't know that I knew how to use a chopstick this well. And I was just excited to use it, and the food was really good. I ended up trying the vermicelli that my sister suggested earlier at the other restaurant, and it was really good. By the way, this restaurant, I would say, was like much better than the one before, having even ordered the same exact thing twice. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it met your expectation. Really, it was a scary time for me at some point up in that mountain. It was very cold and my hands were freezing up, but thank God I was able to get some good gloves, because the one I wore originally were not it at all, and I achieved I achieved it. I climbed up to the top of the mountain and I defeated my fear of heights. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also drop a comment of what you think about the entire experience. Would you try it? Hiking in the middle of a blizzard, even though it wasn't on purpose. We did not know that the weather was going to be that bad on this particular day. Might I also add that bubble drink has become one of my favorite beverages. This particular one I had first was a mango and the second one was coconut, and it was so amazing. All right then, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.